Hi, I'm Beth Hall, and I'm here to extol all the wonders and magic of Northridge Dental Group. I've been coming here for over a decade. So fortunate to find this office. Dr. Ariz and Dr. Arami have been taking care of my mouth all this time. I've had so much done with them. I think they've touched every tooth in my mouth. I've had implants, 2 implants with Dr. Ariz. I've had crowns by Dr. Arami. I've had my gums reseated. I've had root canals. I've had it all done. I've had problems with my mouth my whole life, and not until I came to Northridge Dental Group did I really get it all fixed. Being an actor, you really need to have a nice smile. Without a nice smile, you're not going to go very far. So I was thrilled to find them. They've really done a wonderful job of keeping my mouth looking good, keeping my smile nice and natural. The wonderful thing about it is the care they take. They'll always call you, make sure you're doing well, and it's really like a family here. When I come here, it's like being part of the family, really, at a dentist office. But that's the truth, and so I'm happy to say and to promote Northridge Dental Group and tell everyone how wonderful it is, and I wouldn't go anywhere else.